Hey guys, it's Kimberly Crawford here, and I am here in my home office. Want to make a video testimonial, let you guys know that the income and the commissions are real. This guy right here, Martin Ruiz, is continuing to send me commissions, guys. He's closing the sales and he's sending us commissions. Just want to show you this passive income. Look, the money is coming in. This guy is closing your sales for you. All right, let me get in my back office because I want to show you some of these numbers. I'm going to hide some of these people's names. I want to show you my downline right now, guys. I'm getting overrides, all right? Overrides on everyone that makes sales. Guys, this business is blowing up. I wanted to make a quick testimonial and show you the commissions are real. They're coming in. Today was a $500 day for me, and it's going to be more money coming in tomorrow. I just want to show you that these commissions are real. They're the real deal. If you want to get started with me and join the team, go ahead and click the link below, and I will see you on the inside.